Hello, Ben Kingsley here, CEO and founder of Empower Wealth, and I'm with my business partner Bryce Holdaway, and we thought it would be a good opportunity to put this quick video together to wrap up 2014 from a property perspective. It's been a great year for property, hasn't it, Bryce?
It has been a great year. It's been one of those mixed markets where, you know, the biggest cities of Melbourne and Sydney have done really well, but some of the smaller cities and regional locations have still struggled a little bit. So it just goes to show that Australia is not one big market. It's made up of hundreds and hundreds of sub-markets.
It is, and you know in the way in which we advise our clients, where there's growth, there's balance, and then there's yield property. So we've been very specific about the locations that we've been going into, and we talked about Sydney's been a very heated marketplace. So when it's heated like that, we don't want to get our clients in there. We think we might be buying at 2015, 2016 prices. So we're in there early in the year, but we pulled out in the second half of the year because of that reason. We just thought, you know, the opportunities, although they're still there, they're harder to come across where we think there's better opportunities in other marketplaces where we're basically picking up the ride as opposed to getting in at the top. So that's been a good message for us, hasn't it? And a good result for our clients.
Absolutely, I agree. And I think with the low interest rate environment that we're in, it sort of encourages more and more people to invest in property. So it's pretty easy to think, well, I'll just buy an investment property, but it still has some science and about the selection. So we've still sort of been very interested in Melbourne and Sydney because they're in the top 100 cities around the world measured by population. So it always makes sense to have real estate, good real estate in those cities. But we've also sort of encouraged our investors to look outside their own backyard and consider buying interstate. So we've been quite active in the Brisbane marketplace, but as you say, very specific about what we're looking for. Very
specific, and again, yeah, we emphasise they're coming to us for your guidance. They're coming to us to actually buy the right asset, and that might be in their own backyard. I mean, we've bought some really great properties in Ballarat. We've been in that marketplace. Now we're being less and less in that market. We're still seeing some opportunities, and when we see them, we grab them. But we're diversifying that. We're saying it's been a fantastic run, but where are those other marketplaces that are going to give that uplift? And we've got some exciting new locations that we're running the rulers over for 2015. We'll be buying in new areas again for our new clients. I mean, it's really pleasing for me. Over a couple of hundred clients have joined the Empower Wealth journey, and they're taking themselves into the future. So that's exciting, isn't it, Bryce?
And speaking of exciting, we've also had this year Ben being awarded the Property Investment Advisor of the Year, and he's very humble about this, but I think it's a recognition for some really great work in developing portfolios, and it's really sort of hooking into our fundamental message of no one-size-fits-all approach for anyone, and it's really understanding people's circumstances. So still looking for really great blue chip assets, which we have really targeted in Melbourne and Sydney.
Absolutely.
But also looking for the balance and maybe the yield play, and that's why we're sort of not definitely thinking everything can be solved in our backyard. We're looking outside our markets to try and find those opportunities.
And it's not just about me, it's about the team effort. I mean, we've got research people full-time in the business. We're analysing a lot of areas, we're studying new opportunities, and we're picking those trends to get our clients the best returns we possibly can. So from a client point of view, those long-term clients, they're just enjoying, you know, the great results that we know are there to be had. For those new clients who have joined us, the couple of hundred of you that have come on board, thank you for putting faith and trust in us in terms of how we're able to get you on that journey, because you are now on that journey to a wealthier tomorrow, and that's exciting for us. What keeps us coming to work, isn't it? Absolutely. So a big happy new year and a festive season of fun for you. I'm really excited about 2015, but for now, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from me.
Yeah, look, I'd second that. I hope you've had a great year. Look forward to a break with your family over the Christmas and festive season. And as Ben said, we are definitely looking forward to working with you in 2015.